Also guys, didn't I tell you that I'll be back with another video, guys? And I bet you didn't believe me, did you? You probably thought I'm going to be probably another 5-6 weeks down the line and make one more video or vlog and that's it. So no guys, as promised, I'm back with another video and this is all about unboxing. So guys, I hope you enjoy it and I will see you right after this. Welcome back guys, my name is Tab and you're watching Mr. Shorteye, and I hope you're all starting your day with a big and beautiful smile guys. You should always start your day with a big smile, regardless of the weather, regardless of how you feel. Just start your day with a big smile and just encourages everyone else to smile as well. So guys, like I said, we're going to be unboxing two pieces of items that I bought, and I'm going to show you what they are, and they were bought from an internet based company. But before I go into that guys, I just want to show you that what I'm wearing today is a Hugo Boss t-shirt, which is a medium size. Fits really well. Yes guys, and then beneath I'm wearing some denim skinny shorts. Stand on this end of this bed just to show you guys. So as you can see, it is a skinny jeans, skinny shorts. Don't see if you can see much of it, and they're from a company called Next, and they fit really well, and these are size, I think they're size 32. So guys, the two items that I've bought are from a internet based company called Fashionnova, which is a really fast fashion based company in the US. Started in 2006 and they've been going strong ever since. They've had also influencers who market it clothing on Instagram, and also you had collaborations with some of the bigger artists like Cardi B, for example. So they are big players and they do some really trendy clothing, especially if you're looking for club wear. They do some awesome stuff, but they also do some, you know, kind of everyday wear as well. So one of the things that I fancied, I'm going to show you today the things that I bought. And guys, I hope you enjoy it, and if you're new to my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified for more videos. And guys, let's see what we have here for today. So the first thing that I bought from a company called Fashionnova that kind of struck me when I was searching through their website, going through the jeans section, was some bleach washed jeans guys. So as you can see, I don't know. So this is a size 30 and it's got a normal denim, and then it fades out into the bleach. And these are skinny as well, skinny jeans, and the back is also the same, so it's got blobs of areas of patches on the back and also on the front. There we go. And then you got a fastening button, and then you've got a zip as well for fastening. So I don't like the butterfly ones for some reason, but I do prefer the zip ones. But sometimes you don't have a choice, you just have to go with whatever you like, eh? I mean, overall I think the quality is good. So guys, when I bought these jeans, when I tried them on, they were really long. So for size 30, I think they were really long. They were probably going to, I think they'll easily fit a guy who's 5 foot, probably 8 or 9 I think, but I'm only 5'4", and I had to shorten these down, so I got these shortened today. So these come back to me today, nicely done. So one of my wife's friends did this for me, so now they fit me perfectly. I will try these on for you as well, and let's see how they fit guys. That's what I'll do. I'll try all these on together. I'll show you what the other thing I bought. But more about this is that the quality is really good. I really like this design, and overall I have had no issues with it other than the length. Because it's been American sizes, I would advise you just to be careful on what you buy, because American sizes are a little bit different. The guys are a bit bigger over there, so I may be taller as well. But size 30, it fits perfectly around the waist. It just I had issues with the length, which I just got shortened down. and other than that, no issues at all, guys. The quality is what you pay for. You know, being a fast fashion brand, you know, you can't really complain. And then you have their brand name on the inside of the label there, Fashionnova, size 30, guys. What do you think, guys? Do you like these? Would you buy these, or is it a little bit bold for you guys? In my wardrobe, I don't have anything that might go with that, so I had to kind of look for something that will look really nice with it. And the second thing that I bought to match those pair of jeans is a hoodie, guys. A hoodie. Now you're probably thinking, whoa, that is really bright. It is bright, guys. You want to see the pictures first on the internet. So this is a size medium, and it's a true size. So also coming from the US, you're probably thinking medium is going to be a bit big. To be honest with you, it fit me perfectly. I had no issues with this, and I will show you when I wear it. So this is I'm not sure if it's another brand or it's one of their brands, but it's called Polaroid, and they have the Polaroid writing on the front of there, and then you have pockets that run right through, which is good because that's what I like. I don't like the ones that stop halfway. So there you go, you can see my hands going through, magic. And then you have some yellow writing, which really suits pink as well, so there you go. And then you have some yellow writing text on both arms. So this is the right arm that I'm showing you right now, guys. Don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Yeah, and this is one there, and then it's like some Japanese or Chinese writing. On this side it says one step, and also on the opposite side is a one step. So it's literally the same pattern that runs on both arms. The back is pretty plain, plain. Yes, a few threads which are like this come loose. All you need to do is just cut those off, not a big problem. And like I said, it's a medium size, it's a true fit size, and it fit me perfectly under the armpits as well, and the hood went on perfectly, and it fit around the body really nicely. So that's that, guys. I want to try this on for you right now, so I'll be back straight after this. What do you guys think? You see, you got the writing on the right arm, and then you got the writing on the left arm, which is literally the same as the right arm. And then you have Polaroid, and then you have these like that you get on these readings that you get on the cameras, like the apertures and millimeters and all that. Yeah, but other than that, the length is good, the fitting under the arm is also good, and it fits well. Hoodie fits well as well. Hoodie might be a little bit big, but I think, but other than that, I'm quite happy. It's nice. I don't tend to go for hoodies that have writings on the arms on both sides. I think that's a bit too much for me, but I tend to prefer it on the front. But I really like this hoodie, so I think it'll have to do for the time being. Sorry guys, I just had to change cameras as my camera died, so I'm using my phone at the moment. Quality might not be similar to what you've seen, but let's go. As long as I can show you guys what I'm doing, that's good for me. So guys, like I said, it fits well, it's perfect. I don't prefer a lot of writing on the arms, I just prefer the design on the fronts, guys. So now I'm going to show you about the jeans, what they look like after they've been altered by my wife's friend. So let's see, guys, let's see. So as you can see, the cuffs are really well done. It doesn't look too shabby, does it? And you see the design on the back and the design on the front. Looks good. So these are my Saucony pair of trainers in a salmon and blue colour with a glittery sole, and I think these will complement the outfit really well. And let's show you what these trainers look like with this outfit, guys. Let's see. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a thumbs up? Or is it a thumbs down? Either way, make a comment below please and tell me how you guys like my outfit. What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? These were really reasonable prices, something that you can afford as well. For the people in the UK, you might have to pay delivery charges to get shipped over to the UK. But the customs prices are also included, so it's not even that much. It's really cheap, even including that. It's not too expensive. And with Fashionnova, they always have a some sort of a voucher scheme going. So if you fill in their email list, you get so many % off. And you also find codes on their website, which is really good. So overall, the prices are reduced on what you're going to buy. But yeah, I think overall for this price I paid under £60. If you've got any questions that you want to know, or if there's anything that I've missed, please make a comment below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, the delivery to the UK is roughly around 7 to 14 days, which is about right, even though with COVID as well. But other than that, you know, I had no issues with them. And also I would advise you to pay by PayPal, just in case anything goes wrong. I was a bit skeptical ordering from this company after reading some of the reviews. Like some people hadn't received their products, but guess what, guys, I got mine. You'll find this outfit on their website as well. And you know, I'm happy. You know, I'm an example. I've got my product. I've got no issues with Fashionnova at all. Definitely positive reviews for me and a big thumbs up, guys. You know, I got my stuff, so there's no quibbles or qualms for me, no negative reviews for me at all for Fashionnova. Positive reviews, guys. Like, I'm not affiliated with Fashionnova in any kind of way, guys. All I'm saying is I got my stuff, I paid by PayPal, and you always want to pay by something that you can trust, and if you've got any issues, at least you can get it sorted out via a third party, or the middleman, if you want to call it. So like I said, guys, positive reviews for Fashionnova from me, except for the jeans, which I had to adjust, but that was a minor little thing, which is not a problem. You just have to be wary about the sizes with the US and the UK. There's not a lot of difference, but I found the jeans were a little bit longer, so if you're short and your waist is quite small, just be wary that you might have the length might be a little bit longer. But this hoodie fitted perfectly. I'm happy with that, guys. And other than that, no issues at all, guys. I do promise that I will try to make more videos for you guys, maybe once every week or every 2 weeks, but I will try to get something out for you, regardless of whether I'm busy. So just all about time management and juggling things to fit it in, which shouldn't be a problem, I think. Hopefully once the kids start school, I'll have a bit more time, because during this period, you know, you're running after the kids, and because the kids are on holidays as well, it's just even more crazier and manic. So as I said before, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified for further videos. Guys, other than that, I am Tab and you'll be watching Mr. Short Eye, and I will see you on the next vlog, guys. When that is, I don't know, but hopefully it will be soon. So see you later, guys. Peace out. Bye.